We are here at the Swiss Nordic Bio conference in Zürich, and I'm standing here with Per Norlén, who's the CEO of Wnt Research. Per, give us a short intro. What does Wnt Research do?
Yeah, Wnt Research is a Swedish biotech company listed on Spotlight, and we have a candidate in clinical phase 2, our lead candidate, and it's developed for colon cancer.
And what will be the USP of Wnt Research in that field, would you say?
Well, what we have actually discovered quite recently is that the product has very fast effect on preventing metastasis. So we started a phase 2 trial, and it was meant to be a long-term, several years long trial, and after a while, taking in a number of patients, we found out that after 3 weeks we already have a significant effect on local invasion, and that was built on more than 100 patients in a randomized setting. So that's really what we're building on now. We have redesigned the trial, and we're going to focus on these 3 weeks, show significant effect, and that's what the new phase 2 trial is really meant to do.
So this conference is designed for you to meet investors and potential partners. How do they react when you tell them about this?
I think people are really amazed by the findings. We have clinical data randomized, and it's pretty clear. It's highly statistically significant, and it's more than 50% reduction, so it's very clear data. And so now it's just to confirm the data with all the real parameters, and I think it's very positive.
I'm aware that you can't say anything specific about the meetings you're having here, but would you say anything about your key takeaways from this year's conference?
I would say it's opening up, especially on the investor side. They don't really talk about how much money they lost anymore, but rather look for the future. So I can see interest of investing again. We have recently had a share issue, so we are not looking for money right now. We are mainly here to engage with partners, and we actually have a lot of meetings, even with big partners, so I'm very happy about that.
I wish we could go into more detail about these meetings, but I know we can't, so I'm just going to be happy with that and say thank you very much for talking to us today.
Thank you, Jonas.